Hey guys, Zach Pinnell here to answer a question from Kiora. Yet another dropshipping question. Do you think I could start a successful dropshipping business even if I'm young, a teenager, a student with a busy schedule, with only the weekend as the available time? Some of you may know from my other answers that I started dropshipping when I was 12, 13 years old. I was actually homeschooled from kindergarten to 6th grade, and when I was about 10 years old, I spent way too much time on the computer pretending to do homework when I was actually talking to strangers on forums about all my different hobbies. And quickly I saw opportunities in the marketplaces for like BMX spikes and whatnot, where people were trading and exchanging products, and I noticed some arbitrage opportunities where I could buy complete custom bicycles, break them apart and sell the parts individually. I literally was so obsessed I knew the going rate for any given part, new or used. I'm 24 now, and since then, in that last 12 to 14 years, I've probably tried a grand total of 40 to 50 different things to varying levels of success. In the most recent years, I'd put like maybe 2 weeks and $1,000 into a project and either call it quits, or if I saw a light at the end of the tunnel, I might continue. This question about whether or not I think you could succeed if you put in only time on the weekends and whatever, I get that a lot. I'm asked to answer that stuff a lot. I ignore it because I've already answered a million questions about that. But because I saw here that a lot of people are going to see this answer, I kind of wanted to take the opportunity to hammer it home. I really don't think almost any of you guys are going to succeed at this sort of stuff. I didn't really have any real success with it for a long time, and I just think it's really unrealistic to think that you would actually make $5,000, $10,000 a month in your first year, second year, anything like that at all. Some of you will get lucky. I've seen people do it all the time in my online communities, like in my Slack channel, and people emailing me saying, thank you, you changed my life, like stuff like that. People that did way better than I ever did so early on. But the odds are against you. And the reason that I still promote it to people to this day and push it on them is because getting into it as a 10, 11, 12-year-old was easily the best thing that ever happened to me. Like something that shaped the trajectory of the rest of my life and shaped the way that I viewed the world, and is the reason I'm able to live a life like I do today. And that's not one necessarily where I'm just like rolling in money and don't have to work anymore, but it's one where I don't work for the man. I work for clients that I actually want to work for and make pretty good money and decide my own schedule and sleep until when I want to, work from where I want to. So I don't think it really matters if you actually succeed in generating profits. You should certainly try to, but at the end of the day, the real value is in the lessons and the actual experience of putting your own capital at risk and your own time at risk, and frankly losing. Anytime that I feel like I'm becoming more risk averse than I need to be, I go to the casino and play blackjack, and I play $100 hands until I feel like that rush is kind of going away, because I need to be able to think about risk and upside in a rational manner, and not let that rush of like emotions of having a lot of money or time on the line or having a fear of failing. I need to be able to think clearly about things and make rational decisions in business and elsewhere. So that's all I got for you. I think there's almost no chance you're going to make money in the next year or two. Some of you will make crazy amounts of money, but you should do it anyways. It's probably the easiest business to start at your age, and I'm certainly glad that I did. I thought that was one of my best first runs.
That was pretty incredible, I'm not gonna lie.